Are you looking for the perfect cupcake boxes to display and transport your delicious treats? Look no further than the Fyrnova 6PCS Cupcake Boxes. With a set of 6 boxes and 6 cupcake holder inserts, this value pack has everything you need. These cupcake boxes are easy to assemble, thanks to their pre-folded design. No tools are needed, so you can quickly fold and assemble the boxes in no time. Simply follow the indentation on the bakery box to achieve the perfect effect. The Fyrnova Cupcake Boxes are designed with convenience in mind. Each box has a clear transparent window, allowing you to showcase your well-prepared dessert. The cupcake holders have divider trays to hold your cupcakes securely in place. The inserts can also be removed, giving you the flexibility to use the boxes for other desserts. When it comes to safety and sturdiness, these boxes exceed expectations. Made of 350 GSM food-grade white cardboard, they are non-toxic and odorless. The high-quality material ensures that your cupcakes will not be squeezed or deformed during transportation, keeping them intact and perfect. These versatile bakery boxes are not just for cupcakes. They are also suitable for desserts, pastries, macaroons, donuts, and more. Whether it's a birthday party, holiday gathering, wedding, anniversary, or a simple family gathering, these cupcake boxes are the perfect addition. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US. If you are using it internationally, you may need an adapter or converter for compatibility. Please check before making your purchase. Don't settle for average cupcake boxes. Get the Fyrnova 6PCS Cupcake Boxes and make your desserts stand out. Order now and provide the perfect packaging solution for your baked goods.